In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files from OneDrive to PC, updated 2026 full guide. We're going to use File Explorer to move your files out of OneDrive and into a local folder on your computer. This method is simple, fast, and perfect when you want your documents stored directly on your PC rather than in the cloud. Before you begin, make sure you have enough free space on your hard drive. And if some of your OneDrive files show a cloud icon, keep your internet connection on so Windows can download them during the move. Start by opening File Explorer. You can click the folder icon on your taskbar or press Windows key plus E. In the left sidebar, find and click OneDrive. Depending on your setup, it might say OneDrive Personal or OneDrive with your organization's name. Give it a moment to load the file list, especially if you have a large library. Next, select the files or folders you want to move. Single-click to select one item, hold Ctrl to pick multiple individual items, or hold Shift to select a continuous range. Take a second to confirm you've selected exactly what you need, because we're going to move, not copy. Press Ctrl plus X to cut the selected items. Cutting tells Windows you're relocating these files, which means they'll be removed from OneDrive and placed on your PC. If you prefer using the mouse, you can right-click the selection and choose Cut. Don't worry if nothing appears to happen immediately. Windows queues the move for the next location you choose. Now, open the destination on your computer. In the left sidebar of File Explorer, click a local folder such as Documents, Downloads, or Desktop. Make sure you're not still inside the OneDrive section. Look at the address bar to confirm it just shows your local folders. Press Ctrl plus V to paste. You can also right-click in an empty area and choose Paste. Windows will begin transferring the files. If any of the selected items were online only in OneDrive, they'll download first and then move to your local folder. Keep your PC awake, and for large moves, consider plugging in your laptop so the process isn't interrupted. Wait for the transfer to finish. You'll see a progress window, and once it closes, your files have been moved. To confirm everything is on your PC, open the destination folder and launch a few files. They should open instantly, even without internet, because they now live locally. And that's it. You've successfully moved your files from OneDrive to your PC using File Explorer, Cut, and Paste.